So over here, you can see that I have an email thread right here. And let's say I'm going to go around and reply this over here. So I'm just going to go around on to reply this particular email. And this email has been sent. So now let me just go around onto my other inbox right here. So you can see that this is the email. So let me just go around onto my other inbox over here. And if I were to go around over here, then I got this particular email. Let me just go around and type in this email over here and click on send right here. Once you do that, what happens is that I have another email sent right here. So I'm just going to go around onto inbox over here, and then I will be able to receive that email over here just like this. But let's say what you want to do is you want to ignore this particular email thread because someone else is actually conversing and you're not a part of it anymore. Then what you can simply do is you can ignore the email. So you can simply go around and right click and then choose ignore right here. So once you go around and do that, it says this will delete all the messages for the selected conversation from all folders except the sent item, and all new items that is a part of the selection conversation will also be deleted. So once you do that, what happens is that you can see that the email is hidden. So if I were to go around over here onto this particular inbox and send something related over here. So if I were to go around and then type this in, then I will no longer be able to receive it over here. So you can see that it is not over here. So there's other messages over here. So you can see that this is what you have, but you don't have that particular conversation email anymore. So what does happen to the email that is actually ignored? It actually goes to the deleted items section directly. So I send an email right here, and then it went directly to the deleted items, as you can see right here. So from here, what you can simply do is you can go around and then mark it out. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So you can simply go around and move this back onto inbox right here, as you can see. So this is what you have right here, and then you can go around and then remove it, move it to inbox right here. Then it goes into the inbox itself, as you can see, and it's unignored. So that is what you have. So if I were to go around over here, ignore it, then what happens is that it goes into the deleted items section right here. So if I were to go around over here and then type in something, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and from this inbox, I'm just going to go around over here and then reply. So you can go around over here and reply, and then what happens is that it'll go to the deleted item section, and then what you can simply do is you can bring it back onto the inbox as you like. So that is how you can go around and ignore out emails inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.